The Frigidaire Oven F50 error code is a common issue that occurs when there is a problem with the relay board in your oven. The relay board is a critical component that controls the oven's heating elements and other functions. When the F50 error code appears, it indicates that the oven's control system has detected a fault in the relay board. To understand why the F50 error code happens, it is essential to know how the relay board works. The relay board is a circuit board that contains electrical relays and other components that control the flow of electricity to the oven's heating elements. When you set the oven to a specific temperature, the relay board sends a signal to the heating elements to turn on or off. If there is a problem with the relay board, the oven's control system will detect the fault and display the F50 error code. To fix the F50 error code, you need to identify the source of the problem. In most cases, the issue is with the relay board itself. You can try resetting the oven by unplugging it from the power outlet and plugging it back in. If the error code persists, you may need to replace the relay board. It is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the issue. Before attempting to repair the relay board, make sure to unplug the oven from the power outlet to avoid any electrical shock. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, it is best to contact a professional appliance repair technician who can diagnose and fix the issue. They will have the necessary tools and expertise to replace the relay board and ensure that the oven is working safely and efficiently. In addition to replacing the relay board, it is also essential to check the oven's wiring and connections to ensure that they are not damaged or loose. A faulty wiring or connection can also cause the F50 error code to appear. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can fix the Frigidaire Oven F50 error code and get your oven working again. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and best practices when working with electrical appliances to avoid any injuries or damage.